Using Prezi to create presentations. With Prezi, you can create a dynamic presentation online. Just create an account, select Create a new Prezi, you can either choose a template or start a blank Prezi. Templates offer already made and blank schematics that you have to fill in. But of course, if you want to create a unique presentation, I would advise you to start a blank Prezi. Today, and because this is just about the basic stuff, we will use a template. You can select it from just the latest templates, or you can just go through them all. We'll just use, for instance, this one. And voila. You can start by changing it a little bit if you would want to. If you select on customize, you can change the design of it a little bit. You can just use the pre-made ones, or you can go further to the advanced customize wizard, and you can change the RGB codes of, and change the look of um, mostly everything. So after you've done that, you can start by giving your presentation a name, filling in all the things that are already in here with whatever you want to explain. This right here is the path of the dynamic presentation. You can see it corresponds to the little numbers in here. It's the order of the presentation. Usually we start with a large view of all the presentation and end already with the same thing, so people can have a small idea of what is going to be presented. If you want to add something to the presentation, you can just insert stuff that's already here from this list. Just be careful if you add something. For instance, I'm going to add this here. So you can edit it a little bit, of course. And after you've done so, please remember to do this. Click on Edit Path, add current view, and as you can see, it has added here a frame to the dynamic presentation. So you can also put the frame wherever you want. It will change the number of the frames, but it will just put them wherever you want to. It will do everything, so you don't have to worry. This is a very easy thing to do. And after you edit the path, you just click on here again, okay. This usually is saving all the changes you made, but if not, you just click on save just to make sure, and then after this you can check out how your presentation is. Just use these arrows right here down, and as you can see, it changes also with the direction of the text. If you edit, for instance, text from top to down or something like that, the camera will change it accordingly, so people can read what it's written in there. Afterwards, after you check out your presentation, you just click on the escape key on your keyboard. You go right here to the editing, and after you do so, and if everything checkouts to be to your liking, you just click on exit. Your presentation is done. You can continue editing it if you want to, present it remotely, download it to your computer, save a copy, share it, or embed it on some other website. If you want to share it, you have to first set the privacy level. You can either send the link to someone, or you can add people by their adding their emails, and you can choose them to be editors or viewers. If you choose them to be editors, they can edit the Prezi at the same time as you in real time. So this is also a great tool to create something in group and at a distance, of course. So that's it. That's a very simple tool to use to create presentations, and I hope you have fun creating them and charming your audience with it.